Welcome to another Develop and Design tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to create a unit test in Laravel using PHPUnit. First, we need to check that we have the PHPUnit package installed by opening up the project's composer.json file. The package name we should see is phpunit/phpunit. Now we know this is installed. I am going to open up the customer model class to write a function for our unit test. This is just a simple function called fullName, which returns a string concatenating the customer's first name and last name. To create our unit test, we need to open our terminal or command prompt. Then navigate to our Laravel project directory. Now to create the customer unit test file itself, we need to type the command php artisan make :test, customer test -- unit. Then hit enter. Now the command has run successfully. We should now see the file path to our unit test displayed in the terminal. Just a quick breakdown of the command itself. php artisan make :test creates the test file. Customer test in Pascal case names the test file for the customer class's unit tests. Only the customer class's unit tests will go in this file. -- unit specifies that the tests are unit tests and will place the file under the unit test directory. Now, if we navigate to the test directory in our code editor, then to the unit directory, we should see our customer test file. Let's click on it to open it. We can tell the test is a PHPUnit test as the customer test class extends the test case class from the PHPUnit library. Now to write the test, we'll first add a description in the doc block above the test function explaining what it covers. Let's put test the full name method of the customer model returns the correct format. It's good to put clear descriptions as it helps other developers understand the tests. Now let's give the test function a name. Let's call it test full name returns the correct format. Now let's delete everything that was pre-generated inside the example function. Then begin writing the test by creating a variable called customer, which will be an instance of the customer model class. We need to give the customer a first name and last name to test the function. I'll assign the first name John and the last name Smith to the customer. For unit tests, we do not use model factory calls. Instead, we instantiate the class using the new operator. Now, let's add a call to a method called assert_equals. This method takes two variables and asserts whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then the unit test has passed. If they are not equal, then it has failed. For this method's first parameter, we want to put the string value we expect the customer full name method to return, which is John Smith. The second parameter we want to pass is the full name method call from our customer variable, as this should concatenate the customer's first name and last name to equal John Smith. Now to run the test, we want to open up the terminal and ensure we are in our Laravel project directory. Then type the command php artisan test and hit enter. Then in the terminal, we can see that our unit test has passed successfully. The command we just ran on its own runs all the tests. If we have lots of tests, it could take a while to run them all. If we just want to see the outcome of one test file, then we can run the command with a filter. Let's try the filter command in the terminal. Type php artisan test -- filter equals customer test, where customer test is the name of the test. Then hit enter to run it. And there we have the customer test, which has run successfully. If you have any questions about this, then please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like and hit the subscribe button.